Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood Halloween Horror Nights. You are about to enter a nightmare beyond your wildest dreams.
Hi, I'm Megan. Wanna hang out? This is the part where you run. Question. Nailed it. What are you? I've been asking myself the same question. Nailed it. I have a new primary user. Me. I didn't want you to see this. Work anymore. I have a new primary user. Me. They grow up to be bad men. Are you listening to me? Do you know what happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad men. Are you listening to me? Occupational hazard. What happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad. Occupational hazard. Occupational hazard. Are you freaking kidding me? Not a cat.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the purge, beginning at the sound of This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the Purge. Beginning at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be committed.
This is the part where you run.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the initiation of the Purge.
Well, this authentic Western town was created by our founder, Ricky Jupe Park, who was the famous star of the hit TV show Gorky's Home, which I'm sure y'all are familiar with that, right? It's actually a terrible accident with the channel. I'm sorry, but we don't like to talk about that. Anyways, sorry, Ricky was supposed to be here to meet y'all, but as you can tell, some technical difficulties around here. Yeah, especially at the Star Lapso Theater. Something they call for an unidentified aerial phenomenon. Yeah, you know, but I'll tell you what, why don't we actually start with your first authentic Western experience right here with a group photo, yeah? My dear tour madam, do you mind taking a photo of everybody? Yeah, okay, now come over here, don't be shy, you know, stay alive, let me smile. Come on in, come on in. Okay, now face this direction. We're gonna make sure we get this beautiful little backdrop, okay? Yeah, absolutely, of course, welcome. Okay, now on the count of three, I want you all to saddle up your smiles, okay? Here we go, and say cheese. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese!
Did you get it, Dart? Oh, hold on 1 second. Kiss me, man. And come in, everybody. What are you trying to do? Go, one day. All right, y'all better skedaddle. From here.
That's pretty cool.